beautiful people. I am here with a UNice wig review, and this is the first one I've done like this. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Beautiful packaging, and it comes with a lot of goodies, a headscarf, some lashes, and a wig cap. So I was very shocked and surprised at this Auburn color because I've never reviewed anything like this before. But this wig is from UNice on Amazon. It's an 18-inch Auburn brown curly unit. It's 4x4 closure, but it has a T part, which means that the lace is no parting space. It's just a T part. So as you can see, the front lace goes across and the middle lace goes down the middle like a T. And on the sides of the part, it has tracks sewn in on the side. Not really sure why they did it that way. Maybe it's easier to produce and make. But either way it works. It has 3 combs and adjustable straps. It's a very comfortable strap and comfortable unit, and it's well made. But y'all, I'm shocked at this color still. So let's take a closer look at the lace here. You can clearly see the knots. It's not any kind of HD lace or anything. I would recommend bleaching the lace, but this is going to be a beginner friendly install. Nothing major will be done to this unit as far as plucking or bleaching. It's going to be right out the pack and right on my head. So I'm going to make this install as quick as possible and beginner friendly as possible. So I'm literally not even doing a braiding pattern. I'm just slicking my hair back in a low bun, and I'm going to use the cap that came with this unit and just put it on my head. Very, very super simple. But I would suggest putting some foundation to make this cap more of your skin color, just so it won't show through the lace on the wig. So let's go ahead and put this Auburn brown wig on. Y'all, I was shocked at this color. But first impressions, the cap was very comfortable. It does feel like it could be medium or large head friendly, but I have a small head and it also fit my head as well. And I felt like the hair was very, very soft, especially for it to be curly hair. The hair was super soft. So I just put the wig on my wig head and my wig stand, and I'm just going to open up the curls a bit. This is just water and a little bit of leave-in conditioner mix. So I'm just going to spray it down really, really well. And when you're brushing out these curls, be sure to separate the hair and kind of get the curls underneath, just so it can have an even texture, throughout the unit. So I'm just putting in some leave-in conditioner, cheap at the hair store or Walmart, just to moisturize it. I know this wasn't going to make the curls pop, but the hair still needed some moisture. But of course, I'm mostly using mousse to kind of pop out the curls. All right, so all I am doing here is just putting on some foundation just to kind of help color the lace. You can either do this or use some lace tint spray. This is inexpensive from the hair store, but this unit actually didn't need that. For some reason, you couldn't really see the lace. I guess because the hair color, it didn't really stand out much. The knots didn't stand out much. But let's go ahead and put this unit on. This unit has kind of air dried ever since I sprayed water on it. But it's a better way to define the curls. And I'll show you guys that later, but just wanted to show you guys how the lace is looking on my skin. It's actually a very, very good match ever since I sprayed it with that lace tint spray. So just cutting the lace off in a zigzag pattern. So you want to get the hair out of your way, and you want to bring down just a little bit of baby hair, not a lot. This unit really didn't need a lot of baby hair for it to look good. With this unit, I cut off the lace first, brought down the baby hair, and I'm spraying the lace bond spray by Eben. I'm spraying it past the baby hair, and I'm letting that dry just a little bit. And I'm just going to lay this down with a silk scarf for about 10 minutes. So after that, I'm just going to put a wax stick, and as you can see, I already hot combed it, but you want to hot comb this unit and lay it down. But side note, this wig is actually really flat. It already comes pretty flat, so just cutting off the baby hair here. And just adding some Cream of Nature edge control to lay down the baby hair. So as the hair dried, I felt like it needed a little bit more water, but you guys, you're going to need some kind of curling cream, and I would suggest 2-strand twisting this hair just to make the curls really pop, but I just wanted this to be a quick install. As you can see, my daughter is over there playing. But just added a little bit more water and mousse, and this is how it came out. Okay, so I told myself I wasn't going to alter this unit in any way, but I literally thought it was screaming out for some dark roots. So I literally took a eyeliner pen and colored in some dark roots, and I think it made a huge difference on how this wig looks. I think the dark roots look so much better. So I'm just adding in some concealer on the part I felt like it needed just a little bit, and that's it, you guys. I am all done. Hey, what's up, you guys? This is CutiePie88. I just wanted to come to you guys with my final thoughts on this unit. So this is an Auburn brown unit from UNice Hair. All the information I'll put right here, and I'll put below in the description box, the link and everything like that, and the link directly to the unit. So I just wanted to come to you guys to show my thoughts. So my initial thoughts, when I opened the package, great packaging. I felt like the wig fit very comfortably. It was very stretchy. I have a small head, but I feel like this would fit a larger head if needed. It has adjustable straps, combs for security, great construction. I feel like the hair is very, very soft, and I didn't get a lot of shedding at all. The hair is so soft, like it's not hard and crunchy, and once you put some moisturizer in it and some mousse and some water, you can run your fingers through this like butter, okay? It is absolutely beautiful. The texture is super, super soft. I absolutely love it. and they did a great job with the color. Like, this is my very first time reviewing a color like this, and I thought I was gonna absolutely hate it, but it's kind of cute. It's still not 100% me, my personality, but I believe that some girls can definitely rock this unit. I feel like it's the perfect length. It is true to length. Definitely, if you stretch the hair, it's definitely true to length. And like I said, it's just soft, easy to manage. I feel like you can leave this on at night. It is so comfortable, and just put like some small 2-strand twists in it to kind of maintain the curliness. Right now it's kind of puffy because the water has dried out of it. But I believe this is a very high quality unit, and it saves you time from having to color the unit yourself and making mistakes and all that stuff. So it is a very, very beautifully colored unit. Now, that was all the good things I had about this to say about the unit. The hair is beautiful. It didn't smell bad. Even with the company, the packaging was beautiful and the shipping was quick. But here are the cons, I think. Well, let me just mention, of course, the hair is a beautiful texture. The curls are beautiful. I think you have to use a lot of product in order to keep the curls like really, really popping. You can't really just use water and brush it out because it'll get puffy like this. But once you do some 2-strand twists with some leave-in conditioner and some mousse, you'll be good to go. Now, it's not really a con, but I really think this unit can benefit from dark roots. If this unit had dark roots, it would be absolutely beautiful, like automatically have dark roots. As you saw, I did add literally some eyeliner along the part because I just felt like it was crying out for dark roots. So I just put a little bit on there, and it makes it look more realistic. It makes it look real, like it could be my hair. When it doesn't have any dark roots, it's like, I don't know, it doesn't do it for me when it has those colored roots. So that's the only thing I could say this week could benefit from them just adding some dark roots to the unit, and I think that would make it so much better. But overall, this unit is bomb, y'all, and I definitely think it's worth taking a look. UNice has proven themselves to be a awesome wig creator, wig supplier with some quality units. Now, I forgot to mention this, how the tracks are stitched around the closure area. I've never seen that before. I will say that was strange, but I mean, the wig still gives what it's supposed to give. I know y'all so tired of hearing that, but you know, it is what it is. I don't know why it's stitched like that, but it's not like a 5x5. It's just a middle part unit where it's just a piece of lace in the middle and then lace going across, from here to here. So it's like a 4 by that little piece. So I don't know why they stitched it like that, but hey, it is what it is. I think the unit is pretty affordable, and it's worth giving a try. So definitely check it out. Now, I must say this color is much more orange on camera. I feel like it's more yellow in person, but y'all give it a try. It's a beautiful unit, and let me know how you guys like it on me. If you like the color, if you're feeling the color. If it's not really winter, it's still considered fall, so I thought it would be appropriate to still do a fall wig, even though it's cold outside. But let me know down below how you like this unit, and all the information will be down below. Be sure to give me a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you guys great content like this. All right, be sure to follow me on Instagram as well. All right, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Bye.